Welcome. Today we're going to generate sound generator. So maybe you want to add it to an existing audio or without making a microphone. So this is how it starts. So from here, this generate, click, and there are a lot of things that we can do. Let's start from this tone, for instance. So this is it. So you can change sine, square, smooth, and then you can change the head frequency, the hertz, and then the amplitude. So you can also set it to default here, and then click. So this is it. You play it and see. Yes, as it is now, you can apply some effect on it. For instance, let's apply effect of, say, which one, echo, and then you can do any setting, but I'm leaving it at normal. So see how it looks, and then when you apply the echo on it. Alright, so this is one of the effects that you can apply. So let me delete it and apply a new to generate a new sound. So let's say from here also I will do plug. So plug also, you can set it anyhow, but for this MIDI dance, so let me put it just like that. You can also set the default setting like this, and then apply. So this is it. So play it and see how it looks like. Yeah, you can apply some effect on it. When I say reverse, yeah, so when you play it like this, again, yeah, you can also apply the echo effect on it and see how it will look like. Alright, so let's play. Alright, so let's go to another, to generate another sound. So generate, let's say we come to this reading. So you can do all the settings here, but I will leave it as it is, and then so this is how it is. Let's play it and see how it looks like. For the drum set. Alright. You can also apply some effects on it as we do. Let me apply echo on it and see how it will be looking like. Alright, so this is one set. So let me generate another sound. So let's say we want to dissect drum. Alright, so I will leave this as it is. You can play, you can monkey around with it and see. So let's see how this goes. Alright, so let me apply the reverse effect on it and see how it looks like. So now it will start from slowly to the loud. Again. Okay, let me apply another effect like say echo. And let's see how it looks like. Alright, so that one is that. Then we can generate another sound generate. Let's say this chip. So you can set it here and take sound, smooth, whatever. Set your frequency and things like that, and duration. Right, so we play it. Alright, so let me apply the reverse. Alright, so see how it looks like. Let me apply a echo effect on it and see how it looks like. And use all these settings. You can monkey around and see how. Alright, so let me delete this one. Let's generate another sound. So let's say the DTMF tones. So that one too, you can apply it and see. Alright, so see this one's how it looks like. Okay, let me apply the echo effect on it and let's see how it looks like as well. And play it and see. Alright, so this is another sound that we have generated. So let me generate another sound and see. Let's see the noise, apply it, play it and see. Alright, so this is white sound. Yeah, so these are some of the sound that you can generate. You can even make it as a LMS. I will do a lot of this like that. So yeah, there's another last one that I want to. Okay, so here you can create to generate, then you can add or remove some plugins as well. So when you click here, you can see all the ones that are enabled are being enabled. If it is new, you don't. If it is disabled, when you click here, it will show you all the disabled ones, and then you apply it on it. So now, folks, this brings us to the end of today's video. So don't forget subscribe, and then let's see your comment as well. See you in the next video. Bye.